Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Svetec from the Faculty of Organization and Informatics of the University of Zagreb in Croatia. And for those of you interested in learning design and working in the area of learning design, I'm going to present the innovative balanced design planning or BDP concept and the accompanying tool developed by our faculty. So this is basically a research-based, innovative, constructive, alignment-oriented, and modular solution, which is based first on learning outcomes and also, of course, taking into account the respective student workload. In order to access the tool, you are first going to need, of course, the web address of the tool, which is, as you can see in my browser, learning-design.eu. And once you type this in, it's going to take you to the sort of introductory page of the tool, which contains some basic information and key things related to the concept and the tool. In order to really start working in the tool, you're going to have to register, or if you've already registered, you're just going to need to log in, having in mind that accessing this tool is free, so anyone can use it. It's free to use, but in the first step, of course, you're going to have to go through the registration process. In the upper right corner, there is a login button, which I'm going to click on, and it takes me to the login page. As I'm already registered, I just have to put in my email address and my password. But for those who have not registered yet, they're going to click on don't have an account yet, sign up, and create the BDP account. Again, this is free and anyone can do that. So on the registration tab, you're going to, on the registration page, you're going to have to insert your first name, last name, email, and password. And once you've done that, and once you've registered, you will be granted access to the tool, and you will be able to start working on your courses in the tool. I will not register now because I've already registered before, so I'll just go back to the login page and log in. After you've logged in, the first thing you can see on the screen is sort of an overview of all of your courses. This includes the courses that you have developed yourself or courses that somebody else has developed or started developing and then shared with you and invited you to collaborate with them. Here you can see I already have a number of courses open, so I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of the page to reach the new course button, which is, as you can see, a plus sign marked with yellow, and I'm going to click on this, and it's going to lead me to a new window with an empty field for a new course. Here, I'm going to show you how to insert some basic information related to the course, and I will use the example of this very Rapide course to do that. So first, I will insert the name of the course. After that, I will put in a short description of the course, just a couple of sentences. So here I put what does this course actually consist of. I can choose or not to insert an image. I'm not going to do that now, but you always can. I'm going to put in a number of ECTS points. Here, this ECTS divisor enables you to choose how many hours of work corresponds with one ECTS point. In your case, I left 25 here. For the number of learners, I will put 45. In your case, it might be different. As the mode of delivery, I can choose face-to-face, online, or blended. I will choose online. I will mark this as a private course, and I will mark in terms of the status that this is a course in planning. And I will now click Save. Here on the list of all of my courses, now I can see a new course in planning, innovative pedagogies, and learning analytics Rapide. So this is the one I created just now. When I click on it, I will be able to introduce more course details. So here in the upper part, you can see things that I've already inserted. So here I have the title of the course, a couple of sentences describing the course, ECTS credits, number of learners, mode of delivery.